this credential admin at Gmail to go to login. Once you go login, then customers is the customer tag added the same. Similarly, bookings there is a booking section like whatever suppose I want to update the status of this particular order. Now this order is delivered. Okay, so you can set delivered and you can remove the order. You can also delete it. Okay. Similarly, you can go to product section and you will be able to get the list of products. Okay. Similarly, in the feedback, you will be able to get the all list of feedback. And suppose you want to add new product, you have to click here. You have to suppose I want to add this iPhone. You can download the image, that particular image. You can save the image. Okay, like this. But you have to make sure the extension should be PNG, JPG. See, it should be image format. Okay, not WebP or something. Okay, it should be image. and you can copy the content. Okay, you can paste the description and you can type it. You can mention the price. Okay, and then you can choose the image, whatever image you want to set as a product image. You can go to download and let me select the image, and then you can click to add. Okay, so like that you can add a product or you can delete or remove or edit it. Okay, like this. So this is our admin panel. Okay, this is a dashboard, so here you can get the statistics. Okay, so like that. So this is a admin dashboard. Similarly, you can go to user section, do the logout, and for the user section you need to do a sign up. Okay, so you can fill up this form, you can do the sign up. Okay, once you're done with the sign up, then you can go to login section, and then you can put your credential, and then you can go and you can do the login. Okay, and then whatever generally we do in e-commerce, we can do the same. Okay, suppose I want to buy this, then I have to do the add-in card. Okay, and then I can go to my card section, and then here I can make the purchase. It will give me the total amount as well. Okay, suppose I want to add this as well, camera as well, so you can add the camera too. Okay, and then you can go to cart section, and then you can get the bill, and then you can go to click purchase, and then here you can mention the some your email ID or your address, and then you can go to process pay. You can put your random number, just random number, and you can click pay. Okay, you don't have to put your real cards. Okay, you don't card information, because that is fake payment gateway. Okay, and in the view order you will be able to get the status. Okay, what is the status of your order? Okay, just like just right now we have ordered two items, right? This is one, this is the second one. So you can see the order is right now in pending. If I update the status from admin panel, then it will change. Okay, just like I have updated this status of this particular order as a delivered, so it is showing me delivered. Okay, and if I click to download invoice, I can see the invoice as well. Okay, so it's a complete e-commerce platform. Okay, and suppose you want to send some feedback, you can set the feedback. Okay, like that. Okay, so 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 we have implemented this particular platforms. Okay, with this e-commerce platform with these two modules. Okay, two main user types. Okay, there are a bunch of modules are there like card, sign up, order history, etc, etc, but mainly there are two main user roles.
So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.